Bum, bum, bum. Okay. What's up, guys? Sorry, getting my music on. Alright. Day 55. Coding every day until I get a job. Today's plan. I have a good bit of time today. I don't think I'm going to do anything tonight. So, I want to get a good amount done with this poker project, because I feel like I've gotten nowhere recently. Sorry, I'm swiveling on my chair. So, I think a realistic goal is to be able to like fully simulate the game tonight. Because we have a hand evaluator. So really it's just like have a player struct, have a player have like whole cards, and then like initialize a game, like give everyone cards, and then like have people be able to make bets. So player has to have like their whole cards, their stack. The game will have to have something like a pot. You know, winner takes the pot. Here we go. What's up, man? I haven't seen you in a little bit. Hope you're good. Yeah. So that's what I'm going to get up to. But I gotta do this first. You are given a zero-indexed array. Doing good. Got busy with other stuff. Extremely fair. I got a lot of stuff going on, but I'm kind of ignoring it. Because I just don't want to do it. Yeah, such is life. Pair of indices ij is a bad pair if I is less than j and j minus I is not equal to the nums of theirs. Interesting. Huh. So, like, obviously, we're going to need a good amount of iterating here. So, I'm trying to think if there's anything we could possibly, like, prefix. You know, but I don't really think so. Because it's, like, individual to that point. It's not, like, a sum up to that point. So my next thought is there a better way to iterate than just forwards, since I does have to be less than j? Or is it one of those where it's like you just have to loop a nested loop, but the first one like always starts at I plus 1? I almost think it's that. It almost seems like too basic, though. That might cause a timeout. Because, like, how big are these? I mean, dude, the length is only 10 to the 5th. So, like, why would it cause a timeout? Well, regardless, let's think of something. Is there any iteration time we can save? Like, what could you do reasonably in O of n time? Yeah, I thought about that, Hassan, but I don't know exactly like how that helps us. Unless there's a way to count good pairs in O of n time. Like, it's really going to be the same time complexity, because you got to check every pair. It's just like in one case you're checking the negation, but like that doesn't affect time complexity. It's literally just an if statement. So we're using hash map. Alright, I'm gonna not look at chat because I do want to think through this myself. How could you do this in OVN? Like, it almost reminds me kind of twosome, of where you want to find a diff. But how do you... If you iterate backwards... Because it's not sorted, right? No. Just really trying to think, like, you need to know all the individual values that precede it. So how do you keep that computation? Because you need to have an I and a J. No, I'm good, but thank you. I want to just think through it myself. And then I'll just look at a solution after. But I appreciate it. Is it, maybe you just you have to iterate twice probably. I don't think you can do this in one pass, but you might be able to do it in OVN. But what would you be computing in that first pass? Do it in one pass. There's to be some calculation I'm missing then. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna not look at chat. I'd want to do it myself. So no, okay. Whatever. I read the answer. That's unfortunate. Okay. Right. Got this, I believe in you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay. Okay. I mean, well, no, like, I looked at it. I don't even know why I'm trying to contemplate. I looked at your fucking comment. Ugh, okay. What's up, Caesar? How you doing, man? Good. I'm chilling. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do another problem after this because I did not think of this myself. Or like, I mean, to an extent. if like num minus I plus equals like the amount at num minus I. What are the total pairs? How many pairs are in? This is like a combinatorics question. What is like the, it'd be n choose 2. Or no. No. What the fuck am I smoking? So the first section you have n choices. The next one you have n minus 1 choices. And does order matter? I don't think so. No, order doesn't matter. Oh shit, what's up, Sam? I haven't seen you in a little. Must be back in shy. Dude, I was just at downtown actually for a birthday dinner. It was very good. I had a chicken parmesan. Shit was fucking gas. But it was kind of expensive and I don't like spending money. Okay, so total equals like the length of the numbers times, I think this is right. Just from like the discrete math class that I took. Also, I barely fucking survived that class. So your birthday was yesterday? Oh shit, man. Pairs. Happy birthday, big dog. Alright, cool. I mean, whatever. I didn't really think of that answer, but such is life. So it seems like everyone else is doing this as well. Dynamic programming. Why the fuck is there a thing named DP? Okay. I'm gonna do it easy. Nope, I actually don't want to use pandas. Just give me a normal problem, please. Okay, sure. Perfect number is a positive integer that is equal to the sum of its positive divisors, excluding the number itself. The divisor of an integer is an integer that can divide x evenly. So it's pretty much just grab the divisors. Grab the divisors plus 1, because we don't have to include the thing itself. So this is just like you loop over to half of it and just find the divisors. I'm probably going to do something stupid, but whatever. Let go up to the number itself, divided by 2. If the number mod I is 0 means we divide evenly. So D1 is the number divided by I, or no, we really just need to do divisor sum plus equals this and just I itself, because those are the two divisors. Holy fuck, can I type, please? God damn. What did I say was the divisor sum here? $67. What the fuck? Well, how, bro? No, I thought you had to add both parts. Like, you would add 2 and 14. Unless I'm fucking smoking reefer. God damn it. I just want to see what eyes they're giving. One, 2, 4, 7. Oh yeah, I guess you can just do that. But I was thinking you could save time to get like the pairs correct. But what am I even thinking of? There's some factors thing that you only go up to. Am I thinking of like square root or something? No, because I'm double counting 4 and 7. So like what value do you go up to? You should go up to the square root of it, not it over 2. The square root, we're just gonna imagine that it is. You want to see some stupid code? I doubt this is even gonna run actually. Okay, now I'm kind of confused. Or no, because we have to not include that. And we just start with 1. Okay, okay. This should work. Bang. Please work. Fuck. Is it because I'm using floor? So this would expect it to be true because what? 1, 2, and 3? Yeah, so what the fuck am I doing wrong? Ugh. Oh, is this bound just too tight? What if we go up into the ceiling? Work. Fuck. Oh, it can't include itself. God damn it, this one fucking edge case. Oh, I'm gonna kill this. Because I initialize it to 1. Ah, kill yourself. Whatever. That's so stupid. Famous last words, dude. I have so many famous last words. Okay, also, last night, I was right. I needed to make a copy. I don't know why I, did the no copy thing to end last night. It was very stupid. But yeah, you make a, because when you don't make a copy, you're just shuffling the same fucking thing. So you're going to get the same values. Who would have fucking thunk it? So, we now have shuffled that deck, which is cool. Very cool. I now am going to do, I think, in this dealer thing, I kind of want to think about the structure of this project a little bit. Maybe I change dealer to just like table. And I think I'm going to do that. Purely because I don't want to add another package like for the table and the player and stuff. Like I can add another package for player maybe, but even then that's kind of stupid. I feel like I'm breaking this down into too many different things. I think we have evaluator and then everything else. Because evaluator makes sense to leave in its own world. Like, I think that makes sense. Just, like, it's different. It's not the actual game. But, like, everything else in the same package. Like, fuck it. Fuck it. I don't care if a player is defined. Like, where it is. That's not that big of a deal. So, goal for today, I think, is to just implement a bunch of these things. Like, I think we start off with distribute cards. I think we make a quick player struct. I think we do, like, it's just some pretty easy stuff. And we see where it takes us. I don't know why I'm talking like this. So, I rant over. I'm gonna rewrite this to be dealer. Package. Table. Look at that. And we're already good. Wow. We're flying. We're flying. I am finally... Okay, I have my moments with this keyboard where I fucking hate it. I never hate it. I'm just, like, annoyed with being bad at it. But sometimes, dude... Sometimes I be flying on this shit. Like, low-key... Alright, also, I think I'm going to put base deck in its own thing. Because it's really ugly having it in this file. So, guess who's going to do that? Me. Because I don't care, this is my project. Who are any of you to tell me that I'm wrong in doing so? What else are you using? You have them in? Just Mac. I have a Mac for school. Its battery life is fucking insane. Look at that. Look how beautiful we're moving. We're moving today. All right. So we're gonna move distribute cards up because I want to do that next for no other reason than I want to. For this, we're going to need a player. A player is going to have stack size. Which is going to be of type int. What else are they going to have? They're going to have whole cards. Which are just of type whole cards. That's going to be a naming nightmare, actually. What do I name these instead? What's like a thing I can name these? It's not there. Because I don't want to call it hand either. Watching this makes me miss personal projects. Dude, it's gonna be me soon. Call it whole. Keyboard are you using? Kinesis Advantage 360. Soon, dude. See, it's funny because, like, I know you miss a personal project because you have a job. And then it's funny that I am doing a personal project, which I like, but, like, I want a job. I don't know, it's funny. Grass is so green if you're not colorblind. Wait, is that deep? Yeah, I mean, a lot of things are hiring. It's just they're not hiring me. I apply to them, and then they just don't even reach out to me. Because, like, I mean, to be fair, I'm not that impressive of a candidate. Like, I have a couple of cool projects, but I am a sophomore. People really hate hiring sophomores that aren't giga-cracked, that have done, like, the fucking... It's pretty much like if you don't get it, like one of those big partnership things of like you do an Amazon or you do like a NVIDIA or you do something where it's like they have dedicated freshman things, like it's hard to get noticed as like a true undergrad. Do you get interviews? I do not. I do not get interviews. Yeah, I mean, I've put my thing. Yeah, this is 2026. That's what I give most people. Which is technically not a lie. Like, I could graduate in 2026 if I really tried. And no, I don't get interviews, but also I don't get as many referrals. Obviously, like, I've gotten a referral to AWS, and I've gotten a referral to, like, a couple things. But I don't come from a family that has a strong tech network. I don't, like, my friends' families don't, so I don't have, like, a way of getting referrals, which is kind of why I started this, to, like, get my name out there, but I don't know. Intern for a startup. Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to apply to literally anything, so we'll see. You would think, right? I have LinkedIn DM'd a ton of people, and they really don't, I don't know, they don't fuck with me. Or they at least don't fuck with my, like, all I ask is to, like, talk, like, for coffee or something. Not coffee, like a coffee chat, like a Zoom meeting or something. I guess I just got to do it more, but I haven't been. I should. Unpaid internship, bro. See, that's also the thing. I cannot afford to do an unpaid internship. I have to pay rent for next year, which means I will either be getting a tech job or I will be working at Chipotle. Target alumni that graduated in the last 2 years. Yeah, I probably should get back on that grind, to be honest. I just got discouraged. Like, I did that for a couple weeks in the beginning of the year, and I'd either get ghosted or just flat out said no to. Like, I think I got one acceptance to, like, talk to, and he didn't even end up giving me a referral out of, like, 40 messages or 50 messages, so I just stopped. Get maybe 3 to 4 students a week, and we'll respond to ones that put him. That's fair. You're a good guy. Yeah, and I should. I definitely should. You are right. This is stupid. I don't even like this struct. I'm just gonna make it array of cards. Started my coding journey 3 years ago. Nothing about anything, but I would love to learn. Hats off to you, brother. Welcome to the journey. Big internship is roughly... That's fucking, like, I can't even think about that money. I don't know. Like, one of my friends got, like, a $23 an hour internship, and I'm like, holy fuck, you're making racks. I'm just like, I don't know. At my desk job, I make 15. At my other one, I make, I think, 16 and a half an hour. So it's like, I'm just making, like, maybe $300 a week bi-weekly. She the best of luck. Thanks, man. Yeah, I mean, I should be just... It's like, you either gotta be giga cracked, or you have to, like, fully just grind the fuck out of trying to get connections. Yeah. Gotta get a little savvy. Okay, stack size, whole cards. What else do we need for a player? I don't even know if we need to know, like, the current bet. Because I think we can just subtract it from the stack size. I really don't think we need a current. I was thinking of adding, like, a current bet thing, but... I guess we need it. No, we need a status of, like, if they're playing. What else would we need? Playing hand. Maybe their position at the table. I don't know if I'll keep this, but I don't think it'll hurt for right now. Just make that an int. Here's part right now is getting interviews. Yeah, I do agree with that. Make the table a stack of players. Could that work? Because then if you drop somebody from the stack, yeah, that does kind of handle that. Okay. I'll comment it for now. So are we fine with just these? I think so. I think I'll add to it as I need it. Distribute cards. Which needs to take in what? Like, we kind of need... kind of need a table. Should I name this table or game? Loki, why didn't I just fucking name this game? Should I rename it game or should I keep it table? We'll keep it table for now. What the fuck am I doing? Struct, no, type. Table has what? It has a deck, which is a deck, and it has players, which is an array of player. What else will it have? It will have a pot size. Oh, it's gonna be an int. It will have community cards. Right? Do I need anything else for this? Because a person's hand is going to be made up of community cards. The community cards 5. Yes. I guess, yeah. It doesn't really matter what they're initialized to. I also have to keep track of like where you are in the thing. Because sometimes you'll only have 3 community cards and the hand could end there. You know, if everyone folds. What is the max number of players technically? It'd be what? 52 minus 5 is 47, so you can have 23 players. Max. Oh, I was thinking like mathematically. But at a table technically is it 8? In like classic poker? You can have up to 22. Okay. Wait, why would it not be 23 though? Because 23 times 2 is 46. Then you have the 5 community cards. Would be fine, no? I hope you get a job. Thanks, man. You made a poker game? I am. So we'll go with a max of 22. Sure. So, distribute cards. No, but even then, like, you have the 3 on the flop, then you have turn, then you have river. That's 5. If you have 23 people that have whole cards each, that's 46. 46 plus 5 is 51. There are 52 cards in a deck. You're still fine. Oh, fuck. Burn cards. Why did I forget about burn cards? Oh, that's crazy. I just completely forgot about burn cards. You're right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, I'm actually going to make these assigned to the table. And then return nothing. Because I'll just do, yeah. That's all I need to do. We'll do a similar thing here. Distribute cards. Shouldn't return anything. I don't even think these will have errors, really. So, how are we going to do this? So, we iterate over the number of players. Need to take players and loop over it twice, yeah. Oh, this is the problem with having a fixed 22 here. Is that length of players will always be 22. So either we'd make this a dynamic array, or we have to keep track of how many players there are. I think remove it. I don't think we need another field. Yeah. Do I think that's fine? Yeah. For I equals 0, I is less than, would be num players times 2 plus, or no, we'll just do the players first and then we'll do the whole cards. I mean the flop after. Or no, you don't even want to do the flop first. You can end up player amount in the socket connection. Yeah, I mean, I'll just treat it as a later issue. Okay. So it's just table dot players. Nope, did not want that. So table dot players at the I mod num players spot is going to be equal to the table dot deck. No, the table dot. So it's that player's whole card. I'm just gonna do 2 loops to be honest. No. Surely I can do this math. Technically, I think. How do you do like? Does it naturally truncate? Okay, it does. I feel like I should probably know that by now. I hate table.deck.cards. I hate that a lot. I think I'm going to get rid of deck, the struct, and just have this be a thing of cards. Yeah, I think I like that better. Will this index correctly? I think so. All right. I gotta go to the bathroom, so I'll be right back. I think after this, we're gonna add a player, remove a player. Let's just do add a player now so I can write a quick test for this. I need a player to take in a stack size though. What did a player have? Stack size equals stack size. Can the others default? Is this fine? Can I do that? guess we'll find out in here. Okay. Nah, fuck this. I really gotta go to the bathroom, actually. I will be right back. Respawn plays, what's up, man? Alright. Sorry. I gotta go pee. Be right back. Don't return a value? Why would I return a value? Where? Where am I returning a value? Never mind. Alright, I'll be right back. All right. Bum, bum, bum. so I need to init a table. No, this should actually be just shuffle deck. This is not gonna be. We're gonna have to call that between every turn. What are you coding? Right now I'm making my own poker simulator. What kind of job do you want? Any software engineering stuff. Internships though, like summer internships. Open the file to get extra fly. Okay. When we init a table, you know what? I might even make community cards not 5 either. Yeah. Get a job already, you hippie? John, brother, I'm trying. I promise you I'm trying. Dude, classes right now are fucking me though. Okay, so I need to init a table. Table, where my deck is going to be the base deck. Yeah, dude, I'm hurting the economy. I don't even want to work. These damn Gen Z. Too lazy. My fault. Let's make, I don't know, a player 1 and a player 2. Table.player. First person will have a stack size of 1,000. And the other ones I actually don't care about right now. Players will be an array of motherfucker. Why didn't you come in sooner? Okay. Player 1 and player 2. Oh shit, fire truck. Why is it making no noise though? That's weird. Do I need community cards or pot size for this test table? No. Format, actually will need you, because I don't even really want it. This is going to be a kind of random thing. So test table dot shuffle deck, test table dot distribute cards, and then I should be able to loop over. Is it that syntax? Why do I always forget this? Okay, I always forget this. Player dot whole cards dot print. Look at that. Caesar taught me that. Actually, dude. Oh, yeah, wait, that's real embarrassing. Wait, why is it saying? Okay, look at that. We get cards. Bing, 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 bing. Loki, you know what I should make? I should make a decoder. Is that T-Mux? Yep. I should make a decoder that can take in one of these ints and tell me, like, card suit. I feel like that'd be really nice. Because, I mean, like, you want the cards in the bit form to do it fast. But, like, you want the cards in the not bit form so I can actually fucking use them in the game. I could just make, like, a card. I could just make, like, a map. Seems simple. Yeah, no, it is really simple. I'm thinking, like, literally you just have a mapping that maps, like, an int to, like, if it's, like, a king of diamonds, like, KD or something. Or you could even really map it to, like, I can make a card struct. You know? Can map to bit value by 2 to the power of bits. Brother, what? What are you saying? Because what I'm saying is all you ever really need, you actually really only need, like, you want to know, like, oh, shit, like you need, like, king of spades to map to its int. Because realistically, we are only ever going to go from the client facing to the evaluator. We never have to go from the evaluator back to the client facing. Because all the evaluator gives us back is who's winning. Yeah. Yeah. No, I'm right. Okay. How to map custom struct to int Golang. I've done too much Python. I forget what maps are in this language. I know it's like interface maybe. Nope. Okay. Very easy. Very easy, and I will do that right now. I'm gonna do that in constants. Yeah. Because essentially what we need to do is in here we need to make I'm going to change the card to be a struct with a rank and a suit. Or do I need that, or do I just want a string version? trying to think if I want this card to have a rank suit or just like a string of the name that it is. I think rank suit is fine. Just a string? Yeah, because I never really need to handle anything. You're right. Yeah. So I actually need to... Wait, no. What the fuck am I doing? Why is this yelling at me now? It was just fine. Shut the fuck up. Oh, it's a type card. So, because these comments are wrong. So far, card to bits is going to be equal to a map of a card to an int. And I'm just going to yoink all these. Could also just index into base deck. Yeah, I might do that. Can I not define it here? No, card is a string. What I want is like, I take the string representation, like what is a card, and then I get the bit value from that. That's my goal, personally. But I'm kind of confused. Can I not do this? I thought other way. Well, like, if you think about it, or at least the way I'm thinking about it, from a client perspective, I'm only ever going to see like king of spades or something. And then once I have that hand, I have like a hand of strings. Then I just get, I like do the mapping and then toss that to the evaluator. And then the evaluator will spit me back like a strength of my hand. But the strength of my hand doesn't matter on like what the value means in terms of like the hand. So can I just want to test something like this. Expected colon found, why? Oh. Invalid composite literal type card. Why? What am I doing stupidly? Okay. So the first thing will be all spades. So it'll be low key. I can take all of that. Base deck. And then I'll just go back through. It's definitely a macro way to do that, but whatever. It's already onto it. I got you, baby. Ah, I forgot the commas though. So it goes spades, hearts. Why do I type like this? Hearts. Should probably make a macro for that, but I don't really care. This takes like no time. Okay, and then I need to increment all of these. Is there a Vim thing to increment? Probably. Control A. I mean, I don't know how helpful this is, but I don't know if that's faster than this, to be honest. So, hearts, diamonds, yeah. Oops. Yeah. Almost done. You know what I could do in terms of the macro? Like, okay, let me try something. QA. Hit A, type in 30. No, I shouldn't do that. So I hover over this. dot control A down over maybe? Nope. Nope. If I was faster, it would make more sense to just like invest the time. You know, we're already here. Yeah, like, look, if I understood macros better, I would so do that. But I think it's literally faster for me to just do this than try to make some, like... What I was thinking is doing, like... Alright, I'm already fucking done. It doesn't matter. Bada bing, bada boom, we are done. Wow, look at that. As painful as ever. Okay, so we do want our thing to be of type card. Do we want another array? Like base deck, but like the Word version. Actually, that's not bad. Whatever. One day, I'll make a much better version of this, but like right now, I kind of don't care. So I'm gonna make this base bit deck, which is gonna cause all of this to yell at me. QACW base bit deck. Q50 at A. No, why'd you fail? Yeah, but I'm having fun with macros. Stop yelling at me. I can do what I want, okay? This is my project. What would it be? No! It looks so cool. What is your project working on? I'm making like a poker simulator. That's the idea. Alright, whatever. Fine, we'll do the little liberal find and replace. Yeah, that's fine. Poker simulator using C++? No, brother, this is Go. This is Golang. My girlfriend texting me. Oh. Control V, then we'll go down. Oh man, fuck. Did that wrong. Alright, you know what? We're gonna do another macro. Because I can't get enough of them right now, apparently. So, 0. No. Q, A. 0. Find the semicolon. Delete the rest of it. Add in a comma. Go down 0. Do that like 50 times. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Okay. This is so satisfying. Oh shit. As soon as I say that, I fuck it up. That's so funny. That's so unbelievably on brand. Wow. Dude got a girlfriend, still time to code? Yeah, of course. Hard coding every card? I mean, yeah. It's 50 elements. I don't want to programmatically make this every time. Did I not name it base deck string? Base string deck. Because of course I did. Okay. Need to do 12 and then types. Yeah. I'm aware. But like, if I don't want to be computing that, I just want to have something. Like, you want to have the fast just lookup. And wait till I show you the arrays. You want to see hard-coded values? I'll show you hard-coded values. Okay. Base string deck. Okay, let's see how we're looking here now. Cool. Now it's more human readable. So we got 9 of diamonds, jack of diamonds, and ace of clubs, 5 of clubs. Why are they both suited though? I don't know if I really like that. Is that going to happen continuously? No? Okay. So I literally just got my first 2 tests were just somehow both suited. That's really funny. Okay. I mean, looks random enough. Looks random enough. Should we get hired as a menace to society? That's the purpose. That's why we're here. Alright. Hey, we're doing stuff. We're doing stuff. Pop card from deck. Why did I have this? Oh, yeah, just to fucking remove it from the deck. Because I didn't want to do a pointer thing. I guess, table.deck equals table.deck. But we want to go like that. Is there a way to do default values in Go? I feel like there is, but I just kind of forget. No? Okay. Do you have a degree or self-taught? I'm in the process of getting a degree. I'm a sophomore at Northwestern studying CS. I don't know if I like having things to, like a number of things to pop from the deck. But I also don't want him to continually make calls, so I think it's fine. Because, well, actually, we'll be popping 3 for flop. We'll be popping num players times 2. Yeah, I think it's better to have num to pop than not num to pop. Yeah, but I think if every time you pop is like, that's like, that operation is like happening continuously. And also it then makes the indexing weird. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I like this variation more. Because then when we do the flop, we'll pop 3, and then turn river, we'll pop 1. Yeah. Yeah. I like this more. How should I test this then? Okay, I just want to like, cert equal, so if we would pop 4 cards, so it'd be 48. So 48 and length of table dot deck. Wait, what? Why does our table not have a deck? Oh, test table. Expected 4 cards to be popped. Of the length of 48. Yeah. Cool. Popping's working. I had imposter syndrome for most of college until my capstone project. I realized team coding first. Wait, you realized team coding at a... I don't know if I know what that means. Do you mean like team coding was like first grade level coding? I had imposter syndrome until my classmate asked me how to find a value in a list. Make a list arrangeable. When poker? Griff. You should know by now. I never make useful stuff. But we're getting there. We're moving tonight. We're moving. Alright, so what's next? Like to gamble $1,000? Of course. What kind of stuff do you make? Do you make funny stuff? No, I make... Actually, I can't even say I make useless stuff anymore. Like, I have users on one of my projects. I gotta just make whatever I want. Do you make cool stuff? I make the coolest stuff. It's almost unreal. It's unreal how cool I am. I'm sitting in my dorm on a fucking Saturday night. Coding. Okay. Let me make a general play round. Am I ready for this? No, I'm not. Sleep now. All right. Good night, Caesar. Appreciate you sticking by, helping this up. This is not ending soon. No, not a chance. What year are you? I'm a sophomore in college. Do not believe, Griffin. I'm not 30. Good night, Caesar. The word of mod is the word of God. Yeah. Poker isn't a fun game to code. I disagree. Poker's quite fun. Blackjack is just easy. Like, blackjack is too easy to code. It's just like, you implement the very basic rules. It's like, is your hand higher than my hand? I'm not calling you a noob. I'm just saying it's not, like, something that easy isn't fun to code. Granted, people can say poker's easy to code, and, like, sure. Is the GitHub repo close to the current code? I was taking a look at it. Probably not. I haven't really updated the GitHub in a little bit. If you want to take a look at the code right now, I can... I feel like it's not a bad point to add here. There you go. You still use all the cards of the deck? I mean, yeah. I shouldn't have said it was that easy. It's just, I don't know, it's not interesting to me, because I don't like blackjack. Like, I play poker with my friends on the weekend, so, like, this is more interesting to me. How's a goofy keyboard? It's not goofy. I love this shit. I can show you. Why is this stuck, actually? Oh, because my mouse wire. I just ripped the shit out of it. Okay. Here's the setup. We got both keyboards. There's not really a lot of room on my dorm desk for this, but, like, I don't care. Casino websites exist? I mean, yeah. Hide the weed! Hide the weed! I'm kidding. Alright. Do I want to do play around? Not really. I'm not really ready for this. Where do you hide your weed? At your mama's house. Those bangers, fuck off, Griffin. I'm gonna be bald in like a month. Let me enjoy my bangs. Oh my god, that's fucking funny. What do we want to do next? Should go bald or do something about it if you could. I looked into like the taking stuff for balding, like finasteride and stuff. Those side effects are so scary that I might just go bald. If you had the chance to change your fate, would ya? Do plasma just makes you angrier or less angry? Not sure. I have his brother who's bald, so he's an extremely handsome. Yeah, I don't know about extremely handsome or a role model, really. I have a brother. I'm kidding. Chat, is he being for real, chat? My younger brother's balding faster than me. Dude, see? I beat my older brother. Ah, fuck. Wait, how do I do this, actually? How do I say that to bet, I want to bet into the table, I need to, like, increase the table's pot size. I guess I can just do that. How do I want to do this, actually? Because I have a player struct and I have a table struct. I need to know if the player bets, so I was assuming that it's going to be a function of the player. But I need to know what table it's using. Player calls a function on the table. See, I think you're right, but I don't know why my head isn't wrapping this concept. So you're saying table has the function bet. Like, instead of this, I take in table. And then really the only thing here is going to be table dot pot size is going to increase by the bet size. But I need to know which. You know what I could do? I could just take in a player. I don't hate this. Probably not the best implementation, but Private functions is the mechanics of the game and what the dealer and private variables, public variables, and functions be what the player sees and gets. Yeah, I don't know why this is fucking me up. Because I know I want the player to be able to have like the action of betting. But then I need to correlate with a table. So maybe I swap these. Let's swap them. I don't know. I can change this like all the time, so it doesn't really matter. Because I do need to take in like one of them as a parameter, I think. Unless... And okay, I can maybe just do this tomorrow. And figure it out later tomorrow. I mean, you can see it, right? The table is here. The class isn't good. It's just structs and functions. So like ostensibly, because like this is player.fold, so like it's a method kinda. Check kinda just doesn't do anything. But whatever. Also, these don't need table. Or they kind of do. Because I need to know, like, active players. Ah, this is so fucked. What am I doing? This is so bad. Yeah, I was thinking it was going to be an order of the players, but then I also would need to know, like... Or I guess no, because I could have player dot... I could check if they're playing the hand. Because the thing is, I'm going to be doing, like... I'm going to be doing something like this, where it's like table.players at I. Like, I'm going to be wanting to know if they bet. Because I got to reframe my mindset of... Ah, this is so stupid. This is so stupid. What the fuck am I doing? This is just bad. Yeah, this is just bad. Yeah, you need like an active players. Okay, what I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do like the rest of the basic stuff. Like flop turn river and then just end it there because we're already at an hour and 40 minutes. And I kinda wanna get off. And then I'm gonna think about this a lot tomorrow in terms of like actually thinking about the players coming into this as like the WebSockets and getting user input and then going based on that action. And I might have to restructure some of this tomorrow. So we'll go from there. So let's just do the easy ones. I want to call it flop, or do I want to call it... what is this font? It's Yosefka. It's in my ghosty config. Flop will be... Sorry, do you burn for the flop? Or is it you just burn turn and river?
I mean, you don't have to burn anything. 'Cause it's
No, but like typically.
Oh, you burn with a flop. Yeah.
Burn with the flop? So it's burn first, then flop?
Yeah.
Okay. So... table.community cards at I... or no. For I... Nope, that's not the syntax. Oh my god, can I type? My keyboard? Okay, just like wasn't responding correctly to my macros that I had set. Deck at I. Refuse to use Vim in any editor. I could in Notepad. That's kind of a crazy person, but I also like respect it. Should it be like show flop? Should it be whatever. I'm not gonna think about naming convention right now. I should, but whatever. Table.community cards at the third position would be equal to the deck at the first one because we burn. I'll change these from magic values eventually, but whatever. Do you raw dog these live streams? No music, no nothing? No, I have very low music playing. It's just I mute it because YouTube gets really angry when you play anything copyrighted. So I unfortunately cannot have it on for you guys. The fuck? Okay, so we distribute the decks. Let me just do test table dot show flop cards, assert, assert the length, or yeah, wait, I should have done this. How How does assert length work again? No, is this not a thing? No, it is. Length asserts that specified object has a specified length. Oh, okay. So that's actually what I wanted instead. Change that. Assert the length of test table community cards will be 3. Expected 3 cards in the community. Got that. For actually. Just table dot community cards dot print. Let's see if that's working. Fail. Index out of range. Oh yes, thank you. Thanks, man. Why am I out of bouncing here? Are you using Go? Yeah, I just like it. I had my last project in Go and I liked it. Kind of just wanted to keep using it. I literally have no reasoning. Oh, it's probably because I don't allocate this. Yeah, that's why. It should be... Table of community cards equals append. Do you know any other languages? Technically? Like, why am I saying technically? Yeah, I do. I'm like decent at TypeScript. I'm pretty good with Python. Used Java for a bit during school, but like not really. And like I've touched C and C++, but I'm not super good at them. I haven't put a lot of time in. So we'll go from besides English. Okay. Seems fine. We got 4 of hearts, 9 of clubs, 8 of hearts. Those all seem fine. Card. Thank you. Okay. Cool. So we got the very basics going. So then technically we should be able to have like a function that you definitely should be able to do on a player. Actually a table. No, we'll do a player, and then the table will have a method that calls all of them on the player. Hayden, what's up, Caesar? New Caesar. So, eval hand. This will return an int. Languages you speaks and type. Just English. That's all I can speak. So this will take oh shit, actually. So card here is an int32. Programming as well. Mostly Go, Python, and TypeScript. Like React stuff. So the player has 2 cards. I then need to add those 2 cards with the deck. I then need to get the mapping of those 7 and call... I'll do this tomorrow. I didn't make it off. Need to incorporate this type of player hand struct with our evaluator. Let's go for it. Go's good for some back-end stuff. It's really good for like concurrency, and I really like it for like the static error checking. I'm also just trying out new languages, to be honest. There's no real reason I'm doing Go for this poker project. I just am. To be honest with you, like it just happened to be what I'm doing. All right. Unfortunately, I'm gonna end here. Done about 2 hours, and I want to go to bed. So I'll be back tomorrow. We're gonna work on integrating with the eval. I'll think more about the API stuff, and yeah. Thank you guys for hanging out. It's been day 55. We'll see you tomorrow for day 56. Good night, guys. Oh, also, join the Discord. Connect with me on LinkedIn. Do this stuff. Yeah, cool. All right, good night.